Hello, if you wonder can you restore deleted messages on Google Pixel 10, let me quickly show it for you. Let's open the messages and now let's just simply delete some conversation from here. And after that, unfortunately, there is no option to restore deleted messages. There is no this option. So instead of deleting it, I recommend you to archive the messages. Let me show you. Hold on the message that you want to delete, and instead of deleting it by clicking trash bin icon, click this icon over here with this arrow to the bottom. And now, as you can see, this conversation is archived. I have no this conversation in my main messages section, but to show this conversation again, you have to open your Google account in the top right corner and go to archived section, and here is this conversation. You can restore from this archived section by holding on it and click this icon again, and that's basically all. There is no way to restore deleted messages. Thanks for watching and subscribe.